I cannot respond to Ringtone because that's not my decision. Yeah, alikuwa peke yake akimake your decision, so I cannot speak for anyone.
And do you support the action?
Sasa namsupport, ni biashara yake. Yeye akiamua hivyo ni maisha yake, so I cannot say anything about that. Siongee kuhusu mtu mwingine please, yeah?
Sema Liz.
I don't know support Mashmwana. Giddy vibes.
Betty.
Habari yako Sid?
Wow.
Tumeona umekam kusupport Mashmwana.
Yeah.
So are you in the album?
Nyinyi mmeingia huko?
Tumeingia?
So mkiingia muta find out. Yeah, that's why I'm here. Yeah.
So Sid, we know your previous album ilifanya vizuri sana.
Yeah.
How did it change your life?
It brought money. Yani ilikuwa successful and I'm so grateful sana. Yeah, yani siwezi explain but imekuwa unajua kuwa na one of the biggest albums in the country si kazi rahisi. Yeah, so imenisaidia sana. Yeah, kuna ma projects nafanya because of that album.
I would want you to talk to us about tuliona pale kwa Insta story you and Gucci were working on something.
Yeah.
Tuna expect video visuals hivi?
Yeah, lazima. Actually I'm shooting tomorrow.
So that's one of the biggest international collaboration. Kuna ingine pia tunafaa kutarajia?
Yeah, I've been really working. Hii mwaka nilisema I want to do nataka kufanya more of music, good music na sarakazi mingi niachane nao. Yeah, so kuna a lot of collabos, kuna watu wa nje, hata yesi mnaija wa kwanza nimefanya naye job. Kuna other big Nigerian artists, Uganda, Tanzania. I want to be one of the artists from Kenya to take the Kenyan flag out there, you know? Yeah, so hiyo ndizo ndio tumekuwa tukiwakia and very soon I think after election sasa tutakuwa good to go.
Yeah. And after election tutakuwa tunaona Nimo amerudi kwa music scene.
Yeah, sure. Tumekuwa pia tukiwork on that. Alikuwa ready, hata alikuwa tufanye mambo yake, ni vile sasa pia election stop. So after election so many things are going to happen. Yeah.
All right.
So by the way, Mr. Sid, I want to say like unafanya kazi nzuri pale kwenye usanii. Na ningependa kuuliza swali moja. Tunaona wasanii wa gospel wengi wana change. Wanaenda kuwa secular. Juzi tumeona nani amequit. Chairman wa gospel mwenyewe amequit gospel because of women. What is your take about it? Can you respond to Ringtone, Apoko?
I cannot respond to Ringtone because that's not my decision. Yeah, alikuwa peke yake akimake your decision, so I cannot speak for anyone.
And do you support the action?
Sasa namsupport, ni biashara yake. Yeye akiamua hivyo ni maisha yake, so I cannot
So,
say anything
Ringtone,
about that. Siongee kuhusu mtu mwingine please, yeah?
Hey guys, my name is Gloria Callo from Callo Culture. I'm here chilling with Purple Some Media.
What's up? I go by El Chaco, aka Shaq Young, aka Nairobi's youngest sponsor.
My name is Masi Callo.
Maliclaim here aka Govi. Na kincheki kan medunga purple, ataka ni white, ataka ni black, jua ni Purple Sam. I'll see you.
Make sure you subscribe to Purple Sam Entertainer, obviously. Subscribe. Uni mtu wangu, man. What are you waiting for?
Make sure you subscribe to my nigga Purple Sam. This is what it is, bro.
Purple is my favorite color, so you guys better enjoy this video first of all. Like it, comment, share and subscribe. Love yous.
Yo, my people, my fans, make sure you subscribe to his channel, Purple Sam Entertainer. Yo, you don't know.
You know what? Let's raise our standards. Let's get treated like queens. You know what? This is Purple Some Media and you can't have enough of me.
Na ukitaka kushikia kamera ni sawa. Niko sawa.